Hello, and welcome. I am Edwin, the digital avatar for Paraban's electronic evidence examiner platform. I will be your guide as we explore the powerful and intuitive functions of E3. In this video we will export an OST file to a PST file. Begin by loading or creating a case. Select, Add Evidence, OST file. Be sure to select File, not Folder from the wizard. Next, add Evidence, Auto Detect, and point E3 to the OST database. Leave the evidence name as the default or rename the file. Select RAW mode. The OST database has been added to the case evidence. Next, expand the case content nodes to open the email database. In this example we are exporting the inbox to a new PST. Populate the inbox by left-clicking on Inbox. Left-click on any artifact in the middle grid pane, and hit Ctrl+A to highlight all the artifacts. Right-click anywhere in the blue highlighted area and select Export. Select PST. Save your export to a specified location and click Next. In the Export wizard, under the Export options, make your selections and click Next. Under the Filters option in the Export wizard, you can add filters, Boolean searches, and add data range filters. Make your selections and click Next. Under the Duplicated Data section of the Export wizard, make the appropriate selections according to your case and click Finish. Once E3 has finished exporting the OST database to PST, click OK. Click on the Add Evidence wizard. Select the email database, then Auto Detect. Select File not Folder and point E3 to the location of the saved PST. Keep the evidence name as the default, or change the evidence name and click OK. Select RAW mode, and scan database for deleted messages from the MS Outlook settings box, and click OK. The new PST database has been added to your case. Expand the case content nodes to see the new evidence.